wheels are handled onto its side. Please ensure that the bin will close before taking your seat, and if you are traveling with smaller items, we ask you to place that underneath the seat in front of you at this time. Larger electronic devices should be placed either in the bag underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. They are not to be placed in the back pocket. Seats A, B, and C are on your right-hand side. D and F are on your left. Both A and F are window seats. Once you have removed your seat, if you wouldn't mind kindly stepping out of the aisle to allow other passengers quickly and safely find their seats as well. The signing space for your backside attendants are in the aisle. We look forward to serving you this evening. Welcome aboard.
Yeah, thank you.
F is the window. Say it again. No, you gotta sit in your seat for now.
Cardi?
You can ask the person to switch with you.
Cardi? He tried to come over here, but they keep walking around. He trying to get up, they keep walking around. It's my guys at the Cardi, oh God. It's my guys at the Cardi. You trying to get my look. Hey. Hey, that nigga Goxan got diarrhea. That nigga been going to the bathroom for the last 30 minutes.
I had to pee, bro.
Hey, that nigga just went to the bathroom.
I had to pee, bro.
It's weird. It's weird. You spook? You spook?
No, man.
You ain't spook?
Yeah, cash.
Hey, to my.
Nah.
We going to New York. We on vacation.
What you gonna do?
Shit.
Studio.
We need to do something. We don't even know what to do. We just going out there. It's really my manager's birthday though.
Okay. Your birthday.
My manager.
Oh, I got the music.
Yeah.
Nice, man. I used to work in the music business.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to work for Columbia Records.
That's crazy. When did you sign to them?
I've been talking to them though.
Yeah, that was 23 years ago.
20. God damn. Like,
Yeah, I live in Queens, you heard? So just have fun, man. Make sure you go to the South Manhattan, downtown Clinton Hills.
it is.
Yeah, places like that.
You go there on God.
Long Island City.
Long Island. That's like north.
Nah,
That's how far.
it's far boroughs, right? So you're the Queensbridge, where Nas is from?
Queens.
Yeah, so where he lived at, it's like a mile away. It's really nice. Where he lived at, it's where he's from, projects. But it's called Long Island City. You know what I'm saying? Really nice over there, nice halls and shit, nice money. Spend all. Now, if you want to go uptown, go to Harlem.
Harlem.
You know what I'm saying? Go to 125th. Go to spots like 125th, go to Social Corner. You know, New York, we got smoke.
Yeah.
So you know how big it's mad Zaza spots. It's legal. You know what I'm saying? Just don't get double. Don't buy everything from everybody. Niggas be lazy. You know what I'm saying?
What you do that?
Have fun, man.
Yeah.
That's my daughter's 30 years old, man.
How old are you, bro?
45. 45. Yeah, I started young. Cool, man.
You got your charger?
I just need 2 bottles.
Your bitch ass.
might be out of luck, nigga.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for this. They take out this jerky.
I'll let you know.
Remember I got
I don't got the charger, bro.
You ain't got the charger?
No.
No.
Oh, it's not that type of charger, bro.
Hey, I heard this kid named K-Swag.
Who that
K-Swag.
is? Yeah, no.
Hey, Suave.
No, K-Swag. You heard that song for sure? Coco Bang?
I know he's on my for sure.
Yeah, yeah. That's my nephew.
Ah, man.
They from New York?
He's from New York, yeah. Yo, listen, man. Follow y'all